Everybody, welcome back to the channel. Green Country Custom Baits here. We're going to be doing a paint session for you today. Again, continuing with the Spark Series Shad. This one is the Origami Spark Shad. Cool little color shift patterns in here. So we still got our pearls, a couple different layers of pearls as our underlying layers on a transparent body. These are some of the most lifelike patterns that you're going to see out there. So come on and join me. Let's go spray some paint. Norman DD22. We're going to be doing a clear water pattern for our lakes. And again, this is going to be the Origami Spark Shad. We're naming these after the color shift pigments from Eye Candy that we got in. This one is a color shift between, it looks like blues and purples and greens. I'll look that up on the website just to make sure. But first, we're going to lay down our base coat in a Glimmer Ghost Red. Okay, that was a little bit of a challenge. That I'm gonna tell you what, this Ghost Glimmer Red, but it kind of clogged up the old brush there for a little bit, so I got glitter all over me. All right, so but we have got a real nice Glimmer Red transparent base coat down. We're gonna come back. We'll do this one a little bit different. Just trying some stuff here. So we're going to come down on the shoulders and go with our black. What I'm going to do a little bit differently is we're going to scale the back with transparent underneath. Man, I can't get, let me see, get me one of these things that freaking works. That's a lean back. There we go. Right, next up, I'm going to stir up our Origami. It's been setting quite a while here, and this is going to be our color shift back color. We're going to go light. Let me make sure I'm still in frame here. I moved that around. Let's get that back down there. About 6 to 8 inches away here. Oh yeah, that's got some purple to blue, maybe a little bit of a green color shift, so looks nice, man. All right, let's let that dry. It's going to blend nicely with that red. We're going to go our pearl blue, or excuse me, our pearl white belly. All right, we're going to come back over with our second layer of pearls. It's kind of funky, man. Origami Spark Shad. It's got a really good color shift, blue and purple. We got a red and sparkle blue on the sides. Pretty cool little pattern. May try, while we got you on camera here, go ahead and put a couple of, let's see, where do we want that eye? We want that eye to be about, try these little 3D eyes, even though it's a yeah, not too bad. Kind of experimenting around here, so guys, leave a comment. I don't know how well that's picking it up. I may have went a little too heavy on the Tasami or Origami. Can't remember which bait I'm doing here, but just trying some different things with this pearl flakes and color shift paint. So got a really good, cool color shift to that. This is the Origami Spark Shad. It'll definitely get out in some of those deep water haunts on this DD22, and we'll go see if we can catch a few fish. Stay around to the end. I think these will really pop. These colors are really going to come standing out of there once we put the clear coat on. So, well, subscribers and new people to the channel, tell me what you think of this color shift that we've got on the Origami Spark Shad. Something a little bit different. We've got the pearl white belly. The first thing that we laid down was our transparent base with our glimmer ghost red, and we used a gloss black for the back. Then we came over that with some UVLS and some Origami color shift from Eye Candy, and that's our blue and purple color shift pattern. We did scale the black on the center. Then over the back of that, we came in with a hot rod sparkle blue to kind of tie in the sides and the bait. It does have a red glimmer base. It all ties in together, even though I wasn't 100% positive what the back color would turn out to be, but I'm liking it. I'm liking it. I like that. It's got a real good blue to purple, very shiny back color to that. So again, I'm gonna quit talking so much. Let me know if you like it. Make sure you give me a thumbs up at the end of the video. If you didn't, make recommendations. I've got a lot of these different eye candy colors that pigments that we're going to be making some paints out of, and we're going to be just experimenting, and we're going to be bringing you guys along as viewers, and please give me feedback on it. Tell me what you think's good. Tell me what you think we just need to leave alone. So until next week, Green Country Baits signing out.